Have you ever wondered how to get rid of that Systeme.io affiliate badge on your pages? Well, keep watching to find out. Hello and welcome to Edit with Ease. I'm Andrea, and in today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the Systeme.io affiliate badge from all your pages. Now, if you haven't tried Systeme yet, feel free to use my affiliate link in the description below to create your account. Well, first let's discuss the differences between the paid and the free accounts. Systeme has several accounts. They have the free forever account, and this shows all of the perks that you get with this free account. And they also have the paid accounts, which start at $27 a month. They have the startup, the webinar, and the unlimited account for $97 a month. You get a bit of a discount when you purchase an annual subscription. I think right now I'm on the webinar, but for many years I was on the startup, and I pay annually. So let's get started with removing that affiliate badge on the paid accounts. Okay, so what you'll need to do is first go to the funnels section, and that is right up here at the top. Just click funnels and it will open up your funnels page. Then you want to click your funnel, and this is just a test for me, but this will open up your opt-in page, or your squeeze page is another word for that, and then your thank you and your download page. So first you will want to go into your opt-in page and just click edit in order to edit the page, and then go up here at the top left where it says settings, and then we're just going to click there, and we're going to go all the way down to the bottom of the page. And do you see here where it says display an affiliate badge to earn lifetime commissions? All right, now I clicked it because when it is clicked, that means that the badge will show in the lower right corner here. And if you want to get rid of it, you just click here, and be sure, it's very important when you're working in Systeme that you press save changes, because if you don't, you just leave the form. Like if I just click back, it won't save. Then you'll wonder why your affiliate badge is still there. You'll do the same thing for your thank you page. We'll go over here and click edit, settings at the top left. We're going to scroll down, and then here is the toggle switch for the badge. And then just remember that you're going to press save. Then you can back out of that, and then you'll notice that all of your pages will not show that badge, and we'll just do a little sample here. I'll click the eye so that we can see the page, and the badge is gone. We'll just go back here and actually toggle it on, and then look at the page and see the badge is there. All right, now if you have a free plan, I'm going to show you that it doesn't work, okay, because you have to have one of the paid plans. But let me just show you what it looks like for the paid plan when you try to do this. So you'll do the same thing. You're going to go to funnels, and then click on your funnel. We're going to go here to the squeeze page and press edit, settings, and then all the way down. And as you can see, it is ghosted out. It's not even an option. So no, there's no way to get rid of this affiliate link. This is always going to be here on all of your pages, unfortunately. So to get rid of that, you will need to upgrade to one of the paid plans. But I'm telling you, I love Systeme, and I have never regretted getting it. I love that it's an all-in-one, and even if you pay the $27 a month, even if you don't purchase the annual plan, it really has a lot of good features. But it's up to you. If you want to get rid of this badge, then I would say that it's well worth it to go ahead and get a paid plan. And lastly, if you want to remove the badge from your emails, so you'll go to your settings here, click, okay, make sure you are, and then click email, and then scroll down, and what you want to do is check or uncheck display my affiliate link at the end of each email I send. That's all you'll have to do if you have a paid plan. Make sure you press save, otherwise it's not going to save it. So now a simple way to remove the Systeme affiliate badge from your pages as long as you're on a paid plan. Well, if you're on the free plan, consider upgrading to take advantage of this feature and many more cool features. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Edit with Ease for more helpful tips and tricks for editing your pages and your videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.